Good morning, children. Let me say the answers for the first lesson. In science, first lesson is measurement. Okay, take page number 9. If you got the books, you take the page number 9 and mark down the answers. Choose the correct answer. First one is option C is correct. FPS. And question number, electric current is dash quantity. In this, option A is the correct one, base. And question number 3, SI unit of temperature is Kelvin. Option C is the correct answer. And question number 4, luminous intensity is the intensity of, answer is visible light. That is option C is the correct one. And fifth one, closeness of two or more measured values is called as, answer is precision. B, option B is correct. And sixth one, which one of the following statement is wrong? Option A is the correct one. Approximation gives accurate value. Let us go for fill up. Take pencils and mark down the spellings. I'll say the spellings also for that. The solid angle is measured in sterdian. S-T-E-R-A-D-I-A-N. Next one, the coldness or hotness of a substance is expressed by temperature. T-E-M-P-E-R-A-T-U-R-E. Third one is dash is used to measure electric current. Ammeter. A-M-M-E-T-E-R. Fourth one, 1 mole of substances. The answer is 6.023 into 10 to the power of 23. That is not 10 plus 23, 10 to the power of 23 you have to write on top of 10. No need to write plus there. 10 to the power of 23. So you have to omit the plus. Plus 23 should be on top of 10. And fifth one, the uncertainty is mean a measurement is called as error. Error spelling E-R-R-O-R. Sixth one, the closeness of a measured value to the original value is accuracy. A-C-C-U-R-A-C-Y. The intersection of two straight lines gives us plane angles. P-L-A-N-E-A-N-G-L-E. Then true or false. First one, temperature is a measure of total kinetic energy of the particles in a system. The answer is wrong. False. Correct statement, temperature is measure of average total kinetic energy. No. In the place of total you have to write average. So circle out total and write average. Clear, children? We are writing the answers like that only. Question you have to copy down. Question is in the book. What you have to write while writing answer? False. Correct statement as it is you have to give. Temperature is measure of. Instead of total what you have to write? Average. So learning easy. This is very easy to learn. In the place of total you have to write average kinetic energy. Clear? Second one, 1 coulomb of charge flowing per minute is called ampere. Answer is false. Correct statement, 1 coulomb of charge flowing per second is called, in the place of minute we have to write second. In the place of minute we have to write second. Clear, children? Third one, amount of substance gives the number of particles present in the substance. True. Fourth one, the intensity of light from a candle is approximately equal to 1 candela. Answer is true. If it is false only, you have to give the correct statement. True, you no need write the sentence as it is and write true. Fifth one, quartz clocks are used in GPS devices. False. The correct statement is atomic clocks. So in the place of quartz, you have to write atomic. Atomic clocks are used in GPS devices. The last one, sixth one, angle formed at the top of the cone is example of plane angle. Answer is true. Question number 7. The number 4582, that is 4.582, can be rounded off as dash 4.58. That is true only. If it is more than 5 only, we have to consider as 1. It is next third number is what? 2 only. So we have to write what? True. Next we will go for question and answer. Match the following. The first one is temperature. So temperature answer is measure of hotness or coldness. So first you put 1, 2, 3, 4. First one temperature, that is here, measure of hotness or coldness. Next one plane angle, that is angle formed by the intersection of two planes. Or else you put A, B, C, D here. So in the first column we are writing what? Temperature 1, plane angle 2, solid angle 3, accuracy 4, and last one is precision, that is 5. Answers we have to mark by this side by writing A, B, C, D. Closeness A, measure, second one is B, third one is C, like that you have to mark. And the answer is temperature, measure of hotness or coldness. So the answer is what? B. And plane angle, the answer is last one, that is E, angle formed by the intersection of two planes. Third one solid angle, that is D, fourth answer, angle formed by the intersection of 3 or more planes. Then accuracy, that is the first one, closeness to the actual value. Next one is precision, that is C, angles, closeness of 2 or more measurements. So the options are B, E, D, A, C. Now consider the statement given below and choose the correct options. Options are, the choices are given these. First one is both assertion and reason are true and reason is the correct explanation of the assertion. In the book in page number 10, the answers are given down. That is in the column of A, B, C, D. So the answers are given these. Only thing you have to read the question and find out which answer is suitable for that. Either A or B or C or D. That answer you have to write down. Clear? So there are even answers options also given on the top. Mark the correct choices as it's given these. In the textbook it's given at last. Both assertion and reason are true and reason is the correct explanation. Second one is both assertion and reason are true but reason is not the correct explanation of the assertion. Third one is assertion is true but reason is false. Fourth one is both assertion and reason are false. So let me go for the questions now. First one, the SI system of unit is suitable system for measurement. Reason is the SI unit of temperature is Kelvin. Answer B option is the answer. Both assertion and reason are true, but reason is not the correct explanation of assertion. Correct explanation, that's only enough. You no need to write the correct explanation and all. Answer you have to write both assertion and reason are true, but reason is not the correct explanation of assertion. Question number 2. Electric current, amount of substance, luminous intensity are the fundamental physical quantities. Reason, they are independent of each other. Answer, both assertion and reason are true and reason is the correct explanation of the assertion. So the option A is the answer for that. And third one, assertion, radiation is the unit of solid angle. Reason, one radiation is the angle subtended at the center of a circle by an arc of length equal to its radius. Answer is D, that is assertion is false but reason is true. Then we will go for question and answers. Okay ma. Answer very briefly in the textbook. Roman number 6. How many base quantities are included in SI system? So you have to write only one word for the answers. So first one is 7. Next one, give the name of the instrument used for measurement of temperature. That you know well, thermometer. Spellings you want? No need, the spellings are given there. Even you just make it a syllable, thermometer. Like that you learn the spellings. What is the unit of luminous intensity? Candela. Shortly we can write CD. What is the type of oscillations are used in atomic clocks? Periodic vibration. Periodic vibrations. Fifth one, mention the types of clock based on their display, analog clock and digital clock. So you can write the answers on side of the question also. How many times will the minute hand rotate in 1 hour? 1 time. How many times will the minute hand rotate in 1 hour? Minute hand. 60 times only. Children, the answer may be wrong. How many times will the minute hand rotate in 1 hour? It has to rotate 1 time. Within brackets you write 60 times. I will confirm afterwards. 60 times it moves only, it can go for 1. Any will finalize. Write 1 time, within brackets you write 60 times. How many hours are there in a minute? 60 minutes make 1 hour. So 1 minute is 1 by 60. So the answer is 0.0167. That is 1 we are dividing by 60. Next one, we have to go answer briefly. What is measurement? You can see the answers from points to remember, or else within the book under the headings. So while taking lesson, I used to say what is measurement, underline the important point. Measurement is the process of finding an unknown physical quantity by using a standard quantity. Measurement is the process of finding an unknown physical quantity by using a standard quantity. Question number 2. Name the 3 scales of temperature that we marked already. Celsius, Fahrenheit, Kelvin. In the place of name you have to write the 3 names you have to write. Celsius, Fahrenheit, Kelvin are the most commonly used scales to measure the temperature. Define ampere. You can see the side headings, children, in the book. 1 ampere is defined as 1 coulomb of charge moving in a conductor in 1 second. Question number 4. What is electric current? The magnitude of an electric current is the amount of electric charges flowing through a conductor in 1 second. Next question. What do you mean by luminous intensity? The measure of the power of the emitted light by a light source in a particular direction per unit solid angle is called luminous intensity. Under side heading, refer book. Answer the questions. That also the continuation of Roman number 7. Define mole. Mole is defined as the amount of substance which contains 6.023 into 10 to the power of 23. N tight is 23 should be above the 10. What are the differences between the plane angle and a solid angle? First you have to write all the points under plane angle, then you have to go for solid. Differences between plane angle and solid angle. Plane angle. First point is angle between the intersection of 2 lines or planes. Second, it is 2-dimensional. Third, unit is radian. So in the opposite or else next to that you have to write angle between the intersection of 3 or more planes at a common point. It is 3-dimensional. Unit is sterdian. And we have to go for the detailed answer. List out the base quantities with their units. I think it's in page number, it's in the tabular form. It's in page number 2. The first detailed answer is given in page number 2. Table 1.1. Base quantities and units. Length, mass, time, temperature, electric current, amount of substance, luminous intensity. The units: meter, kilogram, second, Kelvin, ampere, mole, candela. Symbol: M, kg, S, K, A, mole and CD. It's in page number 2. Just mark down from the book. And next question is, write a short note on different types of clocks. That also you can mark from page number 5. Types of clock based on display. On page number 5, the 1.31 under the heading, there are 2 types of clocks based on the display. They are analog clocks and digital clocks. Then analog clock. It has three hands to show the time. It looks like a classic clock. Wherever the points, full stop, no, just you consider them as points. So analog clocks look like a classic clock. First one. It has three hands to show the time. And hours and, that is, it's the short and thick, it shows hour. Minutes and it is long and thin, it shows minute. Seconds and it is long and very thin, it shows second. It makes one rotation in 1 minute and 60 rotation in 1 hour. Analog clocks can be driven either mechanically or electronically. Next, digital clock. It is also in page number 6. A digital clock displays the time directly, first point. Second, it shows the time in numerals or other symbols. It may have 12 hours or 24 hours display. Recent clocks are showing dates, the day, month, year, temperature, etc. Digital clocks are often called as electronic clocks. Sentence. So better you learn sentence by sentence, write in a paragraph wise. Every point gets 1 mark. Next one is higher order thinking questions that we no need. Just you have to think over and write. Thank you, children.